let's face it, the whole world of crypto can feel a bit like the Wild West sometimes. New exchanges pop up, regulations shift, and it's hard to keep track of exactly what you can and can't do with your hard-earned cash. Well, fret no more, crypto cowboys and cowgirls. Today we're diving deep into the world of Gemini deposit limits, so you can maximize your crypto firepower. Now, before we get down to the nitty-gritty, it's important to remember that these limits can vary depending on a few factors. Your location, account type, and even your chosen deposit method can all play a role. So, we'll be focusing on the most common scenarios for our trusty American crypto enthusiasts. Alright, let's get buck wild with bank transfers. This is where the magic happens for most folks. Gemini uses ACH transfers, which are those smooth, electronic transfers that zip funds straight from your bank account to your Gemini wallet. Now, the good news is there's no maximum on how much you can deposit this way. That's right, you can fill your Gemini coffers to the brim with all the digital coins your heart desires, almost. There is a daily limit, however. Buckle up, because it's a whopping $100,000. That's a pretty hefty sum for most of us, but for those crypto whales out there, it's good to know the sky's almost the limit. Just remember, this limit resets every 24 business days, so you can chip away at that mountain of cash if you need to. Now, for those of you who crave instant gratification, there's the debit card option. It's a super speedy way to snag some crypto, but there's a catch, and it's a lasso-sized one. You're capped at a mere $1,000 per day. That's right, a measly $1,000. While it's a neat feature for those who want to test the crypto waters or make quick trades, it's not exactly ideal for high rollers. And here's the kicker, you can't use your debit card to deposit cash directly into your Gemini account, only to buy crypto. Talk about a one-way street. Speaking of one-way streets, PayPal falls into a similar category. If you're looking for a way to use that sweet PayPal balance to buy crypto, you can definitely do that on Gemini. But just like debit cards, you're stuck with a daily limit of $1,000. On the bright side, this limit is separate from your debit card limit, so you can technically reach $2,000 a day if you use both methods. But seriously, who has that much spare change lying around in their digital wallets? Alright, so what about those of you who already have a crypto stash elsewhere and want to transfer it to Gemini? Well, my friends, the good news keeps on rolling. There are absolutely no limits on crypto deposits from external wallets. That means you can dump your entire digital fortune into Gemini if you so choose. Just be sure you're sending the right kind of crypto to the right address, otherwise, your coins might vanish into the crypto abyss, and that's a one-way trip with no refunds. So, there you have it, folks. The full breakdown of deposit limits on Gemini. Remember, these limits can change, so it's always a good idea to check Gemini's support page for the latest info. But for now, you're armed with the knowledge to make informed decisions about how much crypto fuel you want to inject into your Gemini adventure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.